So here it is. It's the Conway Countryman. There we go, Conway by Countryman. It's all very nice inside. Down here now you've got a cooker, sink, loads of cupboard space, fridge, grill. More room on the side for putting stuff basically. Bed on this side. Bed on this side. Sleeps 4 easy. And more cupboard space. Drawers. There is a table that folds up in the middle here, so you can sit on the benches either side and eat, or you can put the table up outside and with a couple of chairs just sit outside and eat. And then underneath the beds, this side and the other side, you can get some of these hanging like hammock things, like little tents that hang from underneath, so you can sleep another 2 people either side underneath the beds. That's pretty much about it really. It's all there. Got it off a friend. Windows into the bedroom, and of course underneath there is a vent, so the windows are vented all the time. Gas bottle in the front. You plumb in your water obviously. That's the kitchen end, like on there. Dogs have already been inspecting it. Just got to fit another plate to it when I bought one of them today. But yeah, it's all very nice. Can't wait to go camping really. It's got nothing in it though. No knives and forks or anything. So that's the job for today. Put stuff in it. Mustn't forget a couple of dog bowls. No doggies.